how to turn off or on questions and feedback in stories notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub, and now go to the story lines and go to settings, then go to the first one here, notifications, and if you can't find it here just scroll down until you find it, then go to notifications and then scroll and go to questions and feedback in stories. And here if you want to enable it, just make sure push notifications is enabled, and you can disable it again, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.